Hello friends, how are you? Welcome to my YouTube channel Rakesh the English. Today in this video I will tell you that how can you learn English speaking skills without any hard work, because this is the digital work and it is very easy to learn spoken English in 2026 because we have the access of internet. We can learn this language through ChatGPT, Googles and Gemini. Okay, today in this video I will tell you that how can you improve your communication skills, means English speaking skills through your phone. Okay, here you can make your record yourselves in English, and you can watch so many English movies, and you can listen also English song, and you have so many chance to learn this language very fast because you have Gemini AI. Okay, you can write, you can speak with Gemini in English. Everything it is possible, and you can ask your doubts and questions on ChatGPT. He will be help you. ChatGPT can help you to improve your English speaking skills, and also you can write something on you in your phone, and you can reading every day some articles and your favorite stories and anything. First of all, you should search on Google that a article or a moral story. Okay, you can write on Google that please give me a moral short English moral story. Then you can read this, and it is very easy language because that is not very difficult language actually, and they use some common sentences and easy vocabulary. Okay, and you can follow also Instagram. Those people make videos and make contents in English, and you can follow some YouTube pages where give some English vocabs every day and English speaking practice. You can learn from social media also, and you can subscribe to more channels. Those channels are related to learn English speaking. Okay, then you can learn through your phones, because I know that everyone is watching content every day. Okay, 7 hours, 8 hours, this is the maximum time you are wasting your time. This is the right time to learn English. Without this language, after 5 years, I tell you that you will feel guilty or regret that I am not able to speak in English, and I can't order anything. When you will go any dhaba or restaurant, then you should read them in English. You should understood properly. Then you can order something in English. Okay, this is very easy, and very important to learn this language. Okay, and you should just record yourselves, and you can give upload. You can upload your video on YouTube channels or social media platforms or Facebook also. Okay, this is so many opportunities in 2026 to learn spoken English. Before 5 years, okay, before 5 years, I there is no any opportunity to learn this language like phones, because in today's life, everyone nowadays everyone has a phone at least. Okay, so this is the your choice that how you used your internet or phone. This is the big chance to learn, improve and English speaking skills, to improve your English speaking skills. It is really helpful. Okay, you should understood nowadays. It can help you. You should if you are a student, then you should convert your medium Assamese to English. For example, I am study or pursuing BA. I am study BA, so I think that I will change my medium Assamese to English from now, means from in 2026, from my 4th semester of BA. Then I will write anything in English. I want to convert my medium, because it can help us when we will read write anything in English, then it can really help us to improve our communication skills or English speaking skills. So it is very helpful, and I am sitting here and I am making video. This is my English speaking practice video. You can find my all mistakes, and please tell me what is my mistakes in the comment box. I will improve my these sentences after when I will make another video. Okay, I take this challenge because I know that really it can help us. I am not able to speak fluently, but I can speak something because I am a student. I am not just thinking that I want to learn spoken English, I want to learn spoken English. If you are thinking just it is never change it cannot change your life, because without practice, without hard work, without consistency, people can't success in their life. So improve your English speaking skills and communication skills in 2026, because this is very important. So thank you guys.